Hi guys, and welcome on my new video. Today I want to show you the room in Sleep-In Suites in Bakersfield, California, in the middle of nowhere on a desert. So I'm just wondering how this room looks like. It has like quite a big parking lot. Wow, jakie to wielkie. It's so huge. Tylko 2 piętra? Fajnie. Ah, this is stairs, okay. Housekeeping. This thing is huge, it's long. Oh, it's big. It's huge. Okay, that's the bathroom. Very big, very nice. Good size. Shower. Lot of space. Big mirror. It's perfect.
Ooh, bathroom!
Yeah, chcesz skorzystać? Można tutaj tańczyć, nie? Small living room. Oh, it's an iron. Small wardrobe. Coffee machine. And some coffee. TV.
Mama, I need to use the bathroom and I was just staying. I was literally in here.
Fridge. Microwave. Dryers. With some laundry. Kinga, w tym hotelu na pewno jest pralnia, słyszysz? Tu trzeba zrobić pranie. Two good size beds. Nice machine, some snacks and drinks. Fitness center, okay. Oh, laundry. $1 for laundry there. Okay. 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Fitness center. Oops, it's not too big. What is doing now? Small fitness center. With the bathroom. są badane. Jogurty. O, tosta będziemy chyba robić. Węgle. Okay. Continental breakfast. Yogurt, waffles, and coffee. Two good size beds.